Yes, my people, today I'm going to show you how to do this text outline effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go. First thing you're going to do is you're going to select your clip and then go over to your object mask tool, select it. Once you've selected it, you're going to come over to your video and you're going to select the person you want to mask out or your object. You're going to come over and you're going to track your clip. Once you've tracked the clip, what you're going to do is you're going to duplicate your layer, Option key and drag up. You're going to select your top clip and you're going to go over to your object mask and you're going to drag this under opacity, which is here, and that will automatically get rid of the background. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to select my text and I'm going to type my text. So I'm going to type in Bradley Winter. I'm going to center my text. I'm going to position it about here. And what I want to make sure is that my fill is checked, but my stroke isn't. And I'm going to place this in between my clip. I'm now going to copy the same clip. I'm going to drag it above. And what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to swap them around. So I'm going to uncheck my fill and I'm going to check my stroke. And there you go, my people. This is how you do the text outline effect in Premiere Pro. If you've liked what you've seen, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a blessed day, my people.